Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our Zettelkasten week, and boy, do we have some fun planned for you. So I'm going to send it right over to Victoria for our Monday compass.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 3. We're in our Zettelkasten week. So, over the past couple of weeks, we've talked about conflict-driven stories, non-conflict-driven stories, what those things look like, and how to start to tease those out into actually getting your writing done. So for the map tomorrow, for my piece of the Zettelkasten, we're going to take some of those components and we're going to file them in our box. And I'm going to talk you through what that process looks like. And that is going to lead us into next week, which will be our writing week. So then we're going to undo everything we did and get some writing done. So come back tomorrow and let's look at how we can start taking all of those little pieces that we've created and installing them into our note box so that we can then use them as fodder for that writing we're going to do. So, Kathleen?
Okay, well, mine is going to remain a bit of a surprise still until our map day tomorrow, because my part piggybacks very, very literally on what Victoria is presenting. So I can't spoil the surprise. You're just going to have to wait. So see you tomorrow. This one's a short compass. All righty. Bye-bye.